If you're gearing up for 2025 and want to get your hands on the most capable bolt-action rifles out there, whether you're refreshing your go-to rig or just appreciating high-end build quality and field performance, this roundup's for you. We've put together a lineup of precision-driven bolt guns that offer exceptional value and performance across a range of price points. Whether you're after pinpoint tactical accuracy or a rugged, go-anywhere hunting rifle, these choices stand out where it counts. Let's dive into the top selections and talk about why they're worth adding to your safe. Number 10. CVA Cascade. We're starting things off with the CVA Cascade, a bolt rifle that's quietly been punching above its weight. It features a tough-as-nails, flat dark earth, Cerakote finish, combined with a veil wideland camouflage synthetic stock, making it ideal for thick timber or mixed cover environments. It's chambered in .270 Winchester, a classic hunting cartridge known for its flat trajectory and manageable recoil. This rifle comes with a number 3 taper barrel that strikes a great middle ground between cooling and carry weight. The 1 in 10 twist rate gives it solid versatility with a range of bullet grains. You'll get a 3-round magazine plenty for ethical hunting, and the rifle tips the scales just past 7 pounds. That gives you enough mass to tame recoil while still being practical to hike with. At around $750, it's an unbeatable value for shooters wanting sub-minute of angle performance under $1,000. Number 9. Ruger American Rifle Gen 2. Next on deck is the second-generation Ruger American Rifle, which modernizes a well-loved platform with better ergonomics and sharper features. It sports a grippy, gray and black, speckled stock that stays firm in wet weather, and the spiral-fluted barrel, usually found on pricier rifles, shaves off some weight while enhancing cooling. It's finished in gunmetal gray Cerakote, making it ready for the roughest weather. What really makes this model stand out is its weight. It's only about 6.5 pounds. Perfect for high-mileage hunts. The 1 in 8 twist barrel is built to handle longer, heavier projectiles with high ballistic coefficients. Ruger's power bedding ensures the barrel remains fully free, floated, and the adjustable trigger breaks clean. Coming in around $700, this rifle blends innovation, lightness, and shootability that appeals to both new hunters and seasoned long gunners. Number 8. Savage Axis XP. If your goal is affordability and no-hassle reliability, the Savage Axis XP is hard to beat. It's ready to rock straight out of the box, thanks to a factory-mounted and bore-sighted 3-9x40 optic, saving you time and cash getting it zeroed. The bolt handle has been redesigned for better grip, and the 60-degree bolt lift makes cycling fast and fluid. Chambered in .223 Remington with a 1 in 9 twist, it's great for predator work, varmints, or just range time. Its synthetic stock keeps the rifle durable and clocks the weight in at about 7.6 pounds. With a street price near $450 optic included, it's a solid choice for entry-level shooters or anyone working with a tight budget. Number 7. Mossberg Patriot. The Mossberg Patriot brings together traditional aesthetics and serious long-range power. This version is chambered in 7mm precision rifle cartridge, a modern magnum designed to stay flat at extended ranges and deliver hard-hitting energy downrange. It's outfitted with a fluted 24-inch barrel in a stainless Cerakote finish, helping with corrosion resistance and weight reduction. With a 1 in 8 twist, it's optimized for heavier projectiles. At just about 6.5 pounds, it's remarkably light for a Magnum-class rifle, yet still stable enough for prone or offhand shots. Mossberg's lightning bolt action trigger offers a crisp pull, and the included Weaver-style scope bases let you get your glass mounted right away. With a price tag around $550, this rifle offers real long-range performance without crushing your bank account. Number 6. Stevens Model 334. Combining vintage aesthetics with modern reliability. The Stevens Model 334 is a bolt-action rifle that blends classic American wood gun charm with present-day shooting performance. Dressed in rich Turkish walnut, it delivers that heirloom look many synthetic stocked rifles just can't match. Chambered in .308 Winchester and sporting a 1 in 11 twist barrel, this setup is just as comfortable tagging whitetail as it is ringing steel at mid-range. Its 60-degree bolt lift offers quick cycling and allows for lower sitting optics. which is a huge plus for shooters running scopes with large objective lenses. The button-rifled, free-floated barrel delivers tight groups right out of the box. No gunsmithing required. Even with its traditional silhouette, this rifle includes modern must-haves like a Picatinny rail and a soft recoil pad that soaks up the punch from heavier loads. Coming in at right around $500, this rifle is a smart pickup for folks who want old-school feel paired with 21st century accuracy. Number 5. Bushmaster B, A50. Breaking into the top 5 is the Bushmaster B, A50, a monster of a bolt gun, built around the iconic .50 Browning machine gun cartridge. This long-range hammer sports a massive 30-inch barrel and a triple-port muzzle brake that helps tame the punishing recoil this caliber is known for. What makes the B, A50 approachable, especially for those familiar with modern platforms, is its AR-style ergonomics. It uses a 14-inch free-floating handguard, an adjustable Magpul PRS Gen 3 stock, and a rock-solid bolt mechanism that brings big bore capability into a surprisingly shootable package. The 10-round box mag and Ergo Super Ambi grip round out the system. At a serious $6,000 price tag, it's not for casual plinkers, but if you're after extreme range, impact, and uncompromising firepower, this 50 cal bolt gun checks all the boxes. Number 4. Tikka T3X Ultimate Precision Rifle. Straight out of Finland, the Tikka T3XU PR is engineered for shooters chasing absolute precision. Chambered in .223 Remington, this tack driver uses a 1-in-8 twist barrel, measuring just under 24 inches, making it ideal for both long-distance paper, punching, and varmint duty. What really sets this model apart is the chassis system. It features an interchangeable pistol grip, adjustable cheek riser, and a length of pull that can be dialed to fit your frame or optic setup. Its rigid aluminum stock offers incredible consistency shot after shot, while the match-grade 2-stage trigger breaks clean and light. The detachable 10-round magazine is a rare feature in a bolt platform at this level. Priced around $1,700, it's a refined tool for serious marksmen, demanding repeatable sub-minute of angle groups. Number 3. Weatherby Vanguard Compact. Don't let its small footprint fool you. The Weatherby Vanguard Compact brings serious speed and precision in a downsized package. It's chambered in .22-250 Remington, a cartridge prized for its high velocity and flat shooting characteristics, ideal for predators and varmints. The 1-in-12 twist barrel ensures great stabilization for lighter projectiles moving at blistering speeds. This rifle's standout feature is its adjustable length of pull from 12.5 to nearly 13 5/8 inches, making it a great fit for younger shooters, smaller-bodied adults, or anyone who prefers a shorter rifle. The Cold Hammer forged barrel comes with Weatherby's sub-minute of angle guarantee using factory-match ammo. With a crisp 2-stage trigger, 3-position safety, and hinged floor plate, this compact rifle delivers big performance. Priced at around $750, it's one of the most accessible and capable options in its class. Number 2. Browning X Bolt Pro. The Browning X Bolt Pro is what happens when advanced rifle engineering meets premium backcountry styling. This bolt-action beauty is chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor and sports a 1-in-7 twist rate, perfect for stabilizing those high ballistic coefficient projectiles at extended distances. Weighing in at just over 6¾ pounds, thanks to its carbon fiber stock, this rifle is built for serious hiking hunts without sacrificing stiffness or precision. The carbon gray Cerakote gives it a sleek, weather-ready finish, while features like a spiral fluted bolt and a skip-fluted heavy sporter barrel take it well beyond basic. Topping it off, you get Browning's signature gold-plated trigger and a factory-installed recoil hog muzzle brake to tame that felt recoil and keep your sight picture steady. With a price hovering around $2,300, the X-Bolt Pro caters to those who want both top-end accuracy and high-class aesthetics in the same rifle. Number 1. Bergara B14 Timber. Taking the number 1 position is none other than the Bergara B14 Timber, a masterful bolt action that marries old-world charm with modern barrel tech. This rifle is decked out with a gorgeous Monte Carlo walnut stock that feels just as good as it looks, providing a natural cheek weld and steady shooting stance. It's chambered in .308 Winchester, and the 1 in 10 twist barrel makes it a reliable performer, whether you're hunting elk or chasing tight groups on paper. Bergara's barrels are where this rifle really shines, crafted using a proprietary honing process that delivers exceptional uniformity and shot-to-shot consistency. The bolt glides like glass, and the trigger breaks crisp with zero creep. It's the kind of gun that feels right the moment you shoulder it. At just about $1,000, the B-14 Timber brings together refined elegance and field-ready precision, making it a standout for traditionalists who demand performance without giving up style. That wraps up our countdown of the top 10 bolt-action rifles heading into 2025. Whether you're punching steel at 1,000 yards, trekking through mountain terrain, or just enjoying a day at the local range, this lineup covers everything from wallet-friendly to world-class. Drop your favorite bolt gun in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into today's finest firearms.